Welcome to this tutorial on how Rocket Money Android app works. Rocket Money is a personal finance app designed to help users manage their expenses and save money. The app is available for download on the Google Play Store and can be used on any Android device. To get started with Rocket Money, you need to download and install the app on your device. Once installed, you will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. The app requires you to link your bank accounts and credit cards to track your transactions and expenses. The app uses a secure encryption method to protect your financial information and ensures that your data is safe. Rocket Money also uses machine learning algorithms to categorize your transactions and provide you with a detailed breakdown of your spending habits. The main dashboard of the app displays an overview of your financial situation, including your income, expenses, and savings. You can also view your transaction history and track your spending across different categories such as food, entertainment, and transportation. One of the key features of Rocket Money is its ability to detect and cancel unwanted subscriptions. The app scans your transaction history to identify recurring payments and prompts you to cancel any subscriptions you no longer need or use. Rocket Money also offers a budgeting tool that allows you to set financial goals and track your progress. You can create a budget plan and set limits on your spending in different categories. The app will send you notifications when you exceed your budget limits, helping you stay on track with your financial goals. In addition to its budgeting and expense tracking features, Rocket Money also provides investment and savings tools. You can use the app to invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The app also offers a savings feature that allows you to set aside a portion of your income each month. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it is essential to regularly review and update your account information. This includes verifying your income and expenses, updating your budget plan, and monitoring your investment portfolio. By following these steps and using the features and tools provided by Rocket Money, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. The app is easy to use and provides a comprehensive view of your financial situation, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage their money more effectively.